Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make apple pie. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 6 to 8 medium apples, peeled and thinly sliced, plus 2 pie crusts. For the filling, combine 3/4 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and your favorite spices like cinnamon and nutmeg. Don't forget 1/2 cup of cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious pie. Now, let's prepare that wonderful apple filling. In a large bowl, gently toss your peeled and sliced apples with the sugar and spice mixture until every piece is nicely coated. This ensures a flavorful bite in every slice. Then, dot the apple mixture with those small pieces of cold butter. This little trick helps create a rich, bubbly filling that thickens beautifully as it bakes, making your pie extra special. Time to assemble our masterpiece. Carefully place one of your pie crusts into a 9-inch pie dish, pressing it gently into the bottom and up the sides. Now, pour your delicious apple filling evenly into that bottom crust. Next, carefully place the second pie crust over the filling, sealing the edges by crimping them together. Don't forget to cut a few small slits in the top crust. This allows steam to escape during baking. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the pie for 15 minutes. Then, reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 35 to 45 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Once baked, let your pie cool for at least 2 hours before slicing. This allows the filling to set perfectly, ensuring a beautiful and delicious slice every time. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.